Every conversation you have with an LLM is built from one simple object. Meet the message, the atomic unit of context. A message carries three things: a role, its content, and metadata. Meet everything a model needs to understand context. Role identifies who's speaking. Content is the actual message. Metadata adds IDs, token counts, and response info. In LangChain, you create message objects and pass them straight to your model, consistent across every provider. For simple, one-off requests, a plain string is enough. No history, no complexity, just a direct ask. For multi-turn conversations or multimodal content, you pass a list of messages: system, human, and AI in sequence. LangChain also accepts the familiar OpenAI-style dictionary format, role and content as plain key-value pairs. 4 core message types drive every interaction: system, human, AI, and tool, each with a distinct role. The system message sets the tone, defining the model's role, persona, and ground rules, before anything else. The human message is user input: text, images, audio, or files, optionally tagged with a name or ID. The AI message is the model's response: text, tool calls, and metadata, and can even be inserted manually into history. Role, content, metadata, that's the message. Master it, and every LangChain conversation becomes clear. Subscribe for more.